Congratulations on Sex and Drugs and Rock and Roll.
Thank you very much.
You're nominated, aren't you?
I'm not.
You're presenting tonight?
No.
You heard just Film of the year for yourself, apart from Sex and Drugs and Rock and Roll?
Avatar.
Yeah? Why's that?
Definitely. I think it's the most groundbreaking movie of the year. I think it's, you know, a seismic shift in filmmaking. I don't think it's been acclaimed enough. I think people have, you know, I think The Hurt Locker's a fantastic film, and people are always pitching one film against another. But in terms of being an inspiring piece of filmmaking, I think that's definitely up there. And you know, the world has shown that they've been to see it. So, and also, I think it's really important that. That the acting, which is being acknowledged tonight, you know, through the nominations of Zoe Saldana and Sam Worthington for their characters in Avatar, it's a really significant kind of shift in terms of perception for performance capture artists. So it's great.
What's next for yourself?
What's next? I'm developing stuff at the moment. I've set up a production company, and I've got a couple of scripts and amongst the slate of films that I'm working on. So that's what I'm working away at.
Very quickly, do you know any Welsh?
No.
Can you do a Welsh accent?
No, it's shockingly bad. I'd have to work on it. I'd be all right at it if I worked on it, but I'm it's a really hard one to do.
You could master it.
My wife, you're good at a Welsh accent, aren't you?
Oh yes. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you did it then. Do you know any Welsh words?
I can sing. It might not be Welsh actually.
Better check.
Dwi'n digaridi.
Oh, that's lovely, doing the Gary D, but not in front of your husband.
No. That's a previous boyfriend. Do you know, is this Welsh? Olia kikia, olia cuckoo. No, it's not.
No, not
really. I know. Membis waria meri brio, argat waris grapo Johnny Bach.
That is perfect. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Enjoy your evening.
Cheers. That was live before Andy Serkis.
Diolch yn fawr.